For today's tutorial, I'll show you how to log in your CrunchyRoll account. First, you have to ensure that your CrunchyRoll app is up to date. Head to the Google Play Store or the App Store. Check for any updates. Once your app is updated, simply open it and you'll see the dashboard. Tap on the login button. Next, you have to provide your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Just click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset. After entering your credentials, tap on Login. You'll then be redirected to the main page where you can start watching your favorite anime. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.